Next, I'd like to explain what you'll be doing over the next 16 weeks and your major assignments and what you'll be doing each week, basically. Notice my email address is alaki2@uis.edu. My full-time job is designing e-learning environments, so I'm confident you will have a good experience online in this course. I will strive to make our e-learning environment engaging, meaningful, and personal. Starting on August 31st, I will schedule once-weekly Zoom meetings on Mondays during our regularly scheduled class time. Attendance will count towards your grade. Our Canvas course is designed in weekly modules, so all you need to do is click on the correct week to find your assignments, activities, and resources. I will have at least one private meeting with each of you, either via Zoom or in person in the classroom. And we will see if in October where we stand with being able to do that in the classroom, but I will let you know as soon as possible. So you're going to have 4 major assignments in this class. A narrative essay, which is going to be about a page and a half. A media analysis essay, that'll be about 3 type pages. An argumentative essay, which is 4 type pages. And a final project. And the final project will be a little bit different from the other 3 in that you'll get to be a little more creative. You can produce a video essay or an online presentation, and then that will also be included with a 1.5 page essay, reflective essay. The main thing for you to understand at this point is that all 4 of these major assignments will follow a single theme, and we'll talk about that single theme in just a second. Of course, you'll also have daily work like reading assignments, online quizzes, pre-writing assignments, online discussions. And those assignments will be due on either Mondays or Wednesdays by the beginning of class time, unless I tell you otherwise. Also, keep in mind everything is submitted via Canvas. So here's our schedule of what you'll be doing each week. On Mondays, we'll meet virtually as a class from 4 to 5:15 via Zoom, and I will take attendance. On Wednesdays, you're going to begin an online discussion in Canvas. Also, in addition to those online discussions, you'll also be doing reading assignments, quizzes, that sort of thing. So you're going to start your online discussion on Wednesday, but by Sunday, you need to have replied to other students in the class. Of course, always check Canvas for specific due dates of your daily assignments and your projects. The 3 essays in the final project total 60% of your final grade, and your daily assignments or your daily work is 40% of your final grade. So about that semester theme. Choose a theme you already have some knowledge about, that you've experienced, or that you're passionate about. So here's some sample themes to get you thinking about what you might want to do. We've got the Black Lives Matter movement, Me Too movement, hardships of the COVID-19 pandemic, the environment or climate change, social media, mental health, immigration, financial hardships of college students, the importance of fine arts, which, quite frankly, music has helped get me through the last several months of the COVID-19 pandemic, or the 2020 presidential election. Of course, with that theme, I want you to pick what you want to do, and you will be submitting your theme proposal to me for my approval. So your first essay is the narrative essay. You'll write a narrative essay that includes a central thesis statement. Using your semester theme, write about an event that you personally experienced. And I'll give you more details about that assignment on Canvas. So it's 1.5 type pages. The rough draft will be due Monday, September 14th. The final draft is due Wednesday, the 16th. The second essay is a media analysis. You will analyze and respond to a piece of media that relates to your theme. And media refers to memes, images, music, movies or TV shows, even clothing or physical objects, pretty much anything tangible. A more detailed essay prompt will be provided in Canvas. This essay will be 3 type pages. The rough draft is due Monday, October 12th, which is midterm, and then the final draft is due the following Monday on the 19th. Your third essay is an argumentative essay. You will write a formal argumentative essay on an issue related to your theme. You are required to include at least one outside source, and your thesis statement will clearly indicate your position on the issue. Again, we'll give you more details when we get closer to that point. This is your longest essay. It's going to be 4 type pages. The rough draft is due Monday, November 16th, and the final draft is due Wednesday, November 18th. That's the week before Thanksgiving. And then your final project. You will transform the work and writing you have done this semester into a video essay or an online presentation. Your final project will include at least 3 new outside sources. You will also submit a 750-word reflective essay. And the final project will be due during our class's scheduled final exam day and time, sometime during the week of December 7th. So as soon as the final exam schedule is out, I'll let you know what the due date is. So here's how to think about how you can take a theme and carry it through those 4 major assignments. If I were a student in this class, since I'm an e-learning designer, that's part of what I do full-time. That's something I know a lot about and I'm passionate about. So my theme could be e-learning challenges. So for my narrative essay, I could write about my experience working with a student who lived in a rural area and had to rely on her local library for internet access. The second essay, which is the media analysis, I could analyze this Forrest Gump meme. For the third or argumentative essay, I could argue that traditional instructors must adapt to new ways of teaching online. And then for the final project, I could think about, since I'm talking about challenges in e-learning, I could present a video essay on the best practices for teaching online. So that's how you can take a theme and walk it through each one of those assignments.